Hi, welcome back to the Chinese Medicine Podcast. My name is Maria Hopkinson. I'm a herbalist and an acupuncturist in Perth, Western Australia. And today I wanted to share with you a series on the emotions and the 5 elements in Chinese medicine. So how does that relate to us, and what can we do to help when we need to express those emotions? What's the effect of the emotions on our physical body, and potential illnesses and things like that that can happen? That's what we're going to talk about in this series. So we'll also talk about the different elemental types associated with the 5 element theory of Chinese medicine, and how different personality types or things like that can kind of be a part of the constitution of our body. Now that'll be like on separate videos, but this is just kind of a little intro to this series. So I hope this is useful and helpful to you. The first one we're going to talk about is grief. So if you click on the button below or above, I'll pop the video there and you can kind of check out the next video. Chinese Medicine Podcast is the place where you can come to get your questions answered about Chinese medicine and how to understand Chinese medicine. So I hope that you find this video useful and helpful, and if you've got a question about it, just pop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it. So click on the next video to learn about the emotions in Chinese medicine.